Hello students, welcome back to our channel. In last video, we have discussed about components of cardiovascular system, that is heart, blood vessels and blood. We have already discussed about heart and blood vessels. In today's video, we will discuss about blood. Okay, we all know that blood is a fluid connective tissue that sustains life. Blood makes up about 7 to 8% of body weight, and an average adult has around 5 liters of blood. Okay, now we will see blood definition. Blood is a specialized fluid connective tissue that circulates throughout the body. It transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones and waste products. Why blood is called fluid connective tissue? Because it connects all body tissues by transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones and waste products throughout the body. Now let's see composition of blood. Composition of blood consists of plasma 55%, formed elements 45%. Formed elements means the cellular parts floating in the plasma, like such as red blood cells, also called as RBCs, white blood cells, also called as WBCs, and platelets. Okay, next we will see functions of blood. First one, transports oxygen and carbon dioxide. Second one, transport nutrients from the digestive tract. Third one, carry hormones to target organs. That means blood picks up hormones from glands and then carries them through the circulation to the specific organs or tissues they are meant to act on. Fourth one, remove metabolic waste products such as carbon dioxide, urea, creatinine and excess water or salts. Fifth one, protect the body against infection. Sixth one, prevent blood loss by clotting. Seventh one, maintain body temperature, like when you get too hot, blood vessels in the skin widens and releases heat to the environment, and when you are too cold, those vessels narrow to conserve heat. Eighth, maintain acid-base balance, like blood helps keep the body's pH steady around 7.35 to 7.45. Ninth one, maintain fluid and electrolyte balance, like blood keeping the right amount of water and mineral salts like sodium, potassium in the body. Look into this picture. This is the composition of blood. Blood consists of 55% of plasma and remaining 45% of blood consists with formed elements. They are white blood cells, platelets and red blood cells. When we see blood through microscope, blood cells appear like this, red blood cells like this, platelets and white blood cells. As we discussed about composition of blood, blood has two major components, 55% of plasma, another one is 45% of formed elements. Now first we will discuss about plasma. Plasma is the liquid portion of blood. Now we will discuss about composition of plasma. Plasma consists 90 to 92% of water and plasma proteins in it, such as albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. These are the three different kinds of proteins are present in plasma. Next one is electrolytes. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, some bicarbonates, chloride and phosphates, sulfates. These are the electrolytes present in plasma. And nutrients such as glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, glycerol, lipids, vitamins such as. Next one is hormones. Hormones like insulin, glucagon, thyroxine, cortisol, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, like that. And next one is vitamins. Vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, K, C and vitamin B complex. All these vitamins. And waste products such as urea, uric acid, amino acids, bilirubin and carbon dioxide, lactic acid, like this. And dissolved gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, All these are composition of plasma. Okay, next we will see functions of plasma. First one is transports nutrients, second one transports hormones, and the third one is carries waste products. Fourth one is maintains blood volume. Plasma maintains blood volume by holding water inside the blood vessels with the help of plasma proteins, especially albumin. Next one is maintains osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is the pressure which is created by plasma proteins, mainly like albumin, that pulls water into the blood vessels and prevents excessive loss of fluid into the surrounding tissues. Sixth one is helps in blood clotting. Plasma contains clotting factors such as fibrinogen and prothrombin that stops bleeding after an injury. Seventh one, maintains pH balance. Plasma maintains pH balance like around 7.35 to 7.45. Okay, now we'll see another composition of blood, that is formed elements. Formed elements include red blood cells, also called as RBCs. Next one is white blood cells, also called as WBCs. Next one is platelets. Okay, now we will study about red blood cells, also call it as erythrocytes. Now we will see structure of the red blood cells. Now we will see structure of RBCs. Red blood cells contains a biconcave disc and no nucleus inside the cell. RBC cells contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is nothing but protein which gives color, red color to the cells. Now we will see a normal RBC count in male, approximately 4.5 to 6 million cubic millimeter. In females, approximately 4 to 5.5 million cubic millimeter. Next one is lifespan of RBC cells, around approximately 120 days, and site for formation of RBC cells inside the red bone marrow. Destruction of RBC cells takes place in spleen and liver. Next, functions of RBC cells. RBC cells transport oxygen, transport carbon dioxide, and maintain acid-base balance. Okay, next we will study about hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the iron-containing protein which is present in RBC cells. Functions of hemoglobin are carries oxygen, carries carbon dioxide, gives red color to the blood, and now we will see normal values of hemoglobin in the blood. In males, approximately 13 to 18 grams per deciliter. In females, 12 to 16 grams per deciliter. Okay friends, look into this picture. When we cut the RBC cells, from side view it look like this. Okay, disc shape. Okay, this is a top view. Now it is look like biconcave shape. The characteristics of RBC cells are no nucleus in it. It look like a biconcave shape, and inside the cells hemoglobins are present. And lifespan of RBC cells are 120 days. Look into this picture. This is structure of erythrocytes. Erythrocytes means RBC cells. So when we cut the RBC cell inside, so cell membrane. Cell membrane is top layer of the RBC cells, and inside the cell it contains beta chain, hemoglobin molecules and oxygen molecules, iron molecules, and alpha chain. Okay, next we will study about white blood cells, also called as WBCs, and also call it as leukocytes. Normal count of RBC cells in normal adult is approximately 4,000 to 11,000 cubic millimeter. Site of formation of WBC cells are inside the bone marrow and lymphatic tissues, inside the lymphatic tissues. Next one is the types of WBCs. There are two main types of WBCs. One is granulocytes and another one is agranulocytes. Under granulocytes, again it is divided into three different types. One is neutrophils, second one is eosinophils, third one is basophils. Okay, so under A granulocytes again divides into two types. First one is lymphocytes, second one is monocytes. Now we will see functions of WBCs. What neutrophils will do? Neutrophils will destroy bacteria which is present in our body or blood inside the blood. Next one is eosinophils. Eosinophils fight parasites which is present in our body, and next one is controls allergic reactions. Next one is basophils. Basophils releases histamine. Histamine is nothing but it is a chemical that causes allergic reactions and helps the body respond to injury and infections. Next one is release heparin. Heparin is nothing but heparin is a natural anticoagulant that prevents blood clotting inside the blood vessels. Next one is lymphocytes. It produces antibodies and provide immunity. Next one is monocytes. Monocytes destroy dead cells in our body and become macrophages. Macrophages are large phagocytic cells that engulf and destroys bacteria, viruses and dead cells and other foreign particles which is present in our body. Okay, look into this picture. This is types of white blood cells. White blood cells mainly divided into two types. One is granulocytes, another one is agranulocytes. Under granulocytes, again divides into three more types. One is eosinophils, another one is basophils, another one is neutrophil. Second one, agranulocytes. Under agranulocytes, one is monocytes, another one is lymphocytes. Okay, now we will see each type under granulocytes. First one is eosinophil. Eosinophils contains bilobed nucleus. So look into this. Here one lobe and this one is another lobe. There are two lobes of nucleus. Okay, next one is basophil. Basophil contains dark blue purple granules. Okay, these granules are very prominent in size, so it hides the nucleus inside. Okay, next one is neutrophil. Neutrophil multi-lobed nucleus. It contains the multi-lobed nucleus. This type is most abundant. That means WBCs contain neutrophils maximum number, that is approximately 60 to 70% comparing to other types. Next type is agranulocytes. Under this there are two types, monocytes and lymphocytes. So first we will see monocytes. Monocytes are the largest WBC. Okay, so actually comparing to other types, monocytes are biggest WBC. Nucleus look like kidney shaped. Look into this. It is approximately look like a kidney shape. Next one is lymphocytes. Okay, it contains large and round nucleus. It produces antibodies and provide immunity. Okay, antibodies is nothing but protective proteins, also called immunoglobulins. They protect body from infections. Okay, these are the types of WBCs. Next is platelets. Platelets, also call it as thrombocytes, or small cell fragments that help in blood clotting. Okay, platelets are nothing but small cell fragments that help in blood clotting. Normal platelet count in healthy adult is 1,50,000 to 4 lakhs cubic millimeter. Lifespan of platelets is 7 to 10 days. Site of formation of platelets is inside the bone marrow. Next we will see functions of platelets. Okay, first function is blood clotting. Plasma contains plasma proteins such as fibrinogen and prothrombin. These proteins help in blood clotting. Second one is prevent blood loss. Third one, repair damaged blood vessels. Okay, now look into these questions. You can prepare for these questions. Okay students, in next video I will continue from here. Okay, take care and bye.